All in the trap. Let's get all with the rap.
Uno got the streets going crazy.
I told them folks that I rap, now they on my way. She like the way that I kick it like I'm Johnny Cage. Don't like the way I'm have, I see it on they face. Didn't rush shit, you know I kept her paid. Said fuck school, I'ma risk it all with the rap. Had to go and get it, I'ma risk it all in the trap. Even when you
We back with another video. First, I'm gonna thank God for this awesome opportunity, man. Today I am doing a video on I'm doing a truck review on mine. And you know, everyone been asking me what do I drive, and I know some of y'all probably saw this on my videos, but today is my turn to go ahead and just show y'all what all I done. I want to thank God again for this opportunity. I hope everyone been well. Continue to keep up the good work. Look at that boy JC, go ahead and show him.
That boy JC.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So my boy JC, if y'all don't know, he had the camouflage dog that I did. And so, anything you would like to say for the video? Yeah, it's JC, the man himself.
JC the man. The man with the plan.
Man, just chilling. I tell him today I'm doing a truck review on my own truck. So how you
know, fresh off work.
Yeah, fresh off work.
Oh yeah, with the granddaddies.
Hey, look at check the shoes out, y'all.
He's exclusive, but everybody can wear it.
Hey, JC, go ahead and stand on the side of the truck, show how tall it is.
Man, look, now y'all know I'm about, what, 6'6"?
Yeah,
About 6'6". You see how tall this man truck is?
Yeah. So, you know, I can't wait to see what kind of video me and JC gonna put together from our truck. We'll probably do a couple rollers, little cinematic. Like I said, if y'all want any truck reviews or anything, make sure y'all hit us up. I have his link down below. And make sure y'all check out his recent video with Sapp. He did an awesome job and things like that. And so, I'm pretty excited. I'm a little nervous because, you know, now I gotta show y'all my truck. You know, I'm so used to interviewing everyone else. So now it's my turn to finally show you all what I have and what me and my father did and what everyone else helped me do and things like that. So stay tuned for that. I'm finna get ready to wash it. Go ahead and show them how dirty it is. Yeah, I got mud everywhere. Cause when I went to Cody, who did my truck, you know, look at all this mud and stuff. Yeah, I ain't going no off-road. Well, it ain't that much mud, but look how dirty the
back
rims is. Like, look at this. Yeah, so we finna get all that. Look at my hands. So yeah, and we also finna slap the sticker on from Sapp. So I'm probably finna slap it right here. So y'all stay tuned for that, and let's go ahead and get this video started. And WooGang TV.
all in the trap. All with the rap. Like the way that I kick it like I'm Johnny Cage. Don't like the way I'm have, I see it on they face. Didn't rush shit, you know I kept her paid. Said fuck school, I'ma risk it all with the rap. Had to go and get it, I'ma risk it all in the trap. Even when you think I'm lacking, young nigga, I keep a strap. Had to
I ain't even gonna cap to you, fool. It's too high.
It's too high?
For me?
It's only 6 inches, fool.
I'm sorry.
You heard it from me, right? How tall you is?
5'7".
5'7".
Yeah.
Ain't no, how tall you is? How about? See, we finna sell this right now. Let's see who tall.
5'5".
Oh yeah, y'all, this is YouTube. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe now.
Ignore the car. It's on the construction right now. Ignore the car. You know, everything.
Alright, let's see this. Let's see this. Sit on side.
5'5". If you 5'7", I'm 5'5".
Hey, you 6 foot. You 6 foot. Y'all ready to go ahead head to the campus? Alright, bet. Yes, sir. We are out here in South Alabama at the Intramural Field. This is where we usually do all our truck reviews and things like that. This is behind the scenes of me and JC. I already did a little cinematic from my phone, but go ahead and zoom in and show how JC be doing his videos. Look at that. Look at his phone. So just like imagine how the cinematic gonna look. And you know, see?
Sexy.
Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait till we do his car for his rap after his new rap and things like that. So you know, like I said, y'all stay tuned for that. Let us get back into it. We get ready to do the roll in a minute, and that's pretty much it for right now.
WooGang TV.
Yes, sir.
Even when you think I'm lacking, young nigga, I keep a strap. Had to get a set, like a nigga worn Sapp. Put a bag on your hair, I can get you whack for a rat. Put a bag in my skin, I walk around with a stack. Instead of talking, young nigga, I ain't worried about that. Pull up on they block quick, watch them niggas run track. Send 4 shots out, got me feeling like I'm dead. This ain't tenor, they want smoke, they see I'm tryna match. Ain't no love in me no more, my heart black. Had to cut my old hoe, she was getting too attached. I told them fuck that I rap, now they on my way. She like the way that I kick it like I'm Johnny Cage. Don't like the way I have, I see it on they face. Didn't rush shit, you know I kept a paid. Said fuck school, I'ma risk it all with it rap. Had to go and get it, I'ma risk it all in the trap. Even when you think I'm lacking, young nigga, I keep a strap. Had to get a set, like a nigga worn Sapp. Like a nigga worn Sapp. I risk it all in the trap. Yeah, I risk it all with it rap. Yeah, watch them niggas run track.